What are you looking at? Oh my god, did you see Jenny's post on Facebook?
Can y'all believe that we have to go to class on Wednesday?
Hey guys, I think it's snowing.
What?
Solid!
Oh my god! Let's take a study break.
Stormy, do you want to build a snowman?
I wanna build a snowman. Hey guys, wait for me!
Where's Jennifer?
Oh my god! You okay? Yeah. It's cold out here.
It is. You guys, it's really snowing. Do you think we should go check the weather? The weather says there's going to be a blizzard. Are we ready for that?
What is a blizzard? Yeah, blizzards here?
A blizzard in Corpus?
Are we prepared for that?
Maybe we should look up what we need to do.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah. Oh, look, there's a video.
Alright, Mom, what are we gonna do? It's cold, it's snowing, there's polar bears out there. Well, you know, come on, Mom, we gotta do something.
Well, hold on there. We gotta
have a plan. What's this stuff here? This is nothing.
Well,
we need a plan.
We're getting ready, dude.
What's this for? There's no batteries in here.
Oh, yes, there are. If you turn
The
it on.
power's gonna go out. The storm's coming.
Well, that's why we have.
And I gotta go to the restroom.
No,
I'm
wait.
sorry, man. I'm going to the restroom.
Laura, wait.
I can't wait any longer. I gotta
Wait.
go to the restroom. I'm out of here.
Pilar, come on,
This
man.
can wait until I get done with the restroom.
Dude.
Okay.
No, I need to talk to you now. Pilar.
Pilar? Do you want to build a snow kit? It's freaking cold outside. We need to get some cozy clothes to keep our toes attached. Let's stay inside. Hey dude, where's the heater? The first aid kit. Dude, we need some more supplies. Do you want to build a snow kit? It really needs to be a snow kit.
Go away, Omar.
Okay, bye.
Ow! I literally have blood on my hand because I cut it.
Apply pressure.
Do you want to build a snow kit? Or throw some salt along the road? We need water, food, medicine, and cash. My hand just got a gash. My butt needs to unload.
Hang in there, Omar.
We need a working toilet and some more wet wipes. Hurry up, I'm gonna die.
Okay, alright, so, I really have to use the restroom, guys, and the fact that, Pilar, you're taking way too long in there, that's really bothering me, man. Look, I'm worried, because we have no supplies. There's, of all things, a blizzard coming to Corpus. I don't know why a blizzard is coming to Corpus, but it is, and we're totally unready, so we gotta prepare. I don't think we have enough supplies.
Well, let's go to HEB. Let's get out of here.
Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm glad the storm isn't getting us yet. Like going, oh, what's slippery? Oh no, we're drowning. Oh my gosh, we couldn't buy a boat, so we had to use a car. Here's Godzilla.
Omar? Please, where is the cell phone? Where are the multi-purpose tools? Let's make sure we have family info, so I can call my bro. The song is cool, and flashlight is important, plus thermometers. These are the blizzard rules. Do you want to build a snow kit?
Wow, that was silly. We need something a little bit more reliable.
Yeah, we're definitely going to need something more reliable.
Yeah. Hey, look, on the news page, the American Red Cross has a link to a conference meeting they have. You want to see what they say?
Yeah, let's check it out.
We are the American Red Cross Disaster Committee. We are going to talk about some precautions that the community can take before, during, and after a snowstorm. Some things that we could do to help prepare for a snowstorm are insulate your home, by installing storm windows and covering your windows with plastic for the inside to keep the cold air out. Maintain heating equipment and chimneys by having them cleaned and inspected every year. If you're going to be away during the cold weather, leave the heat on in your house. Set the temp no lower than 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, you'd want to put together a supply kit.
Oh, that was a good video. Should we check to see if we have everything?
Yeah, there's a list right here. Let me read it off. Water?
Yeah, I got water.
Do we have food?
Yeah, we got food right here.
Flashlights?
Got it.
Extra batteries? First aid kit?
We have 2.
Good. Medications?
Got 'em.
Sanitation? Cash?
We don't really bring cash. We're nursing students. We don't have cash.
I always have cash.
She always carries cash.
So should someone go check to see if it's really a blizzard?
Yeah, I'll go check.
Yeah, we'll send Stormy.
That's a good idea.
Go ahead, Stormy.
Right.
Whoa! Ah! Jesus!
We're going to be here for a while.
Here are some things that community members can do to remain safe during a winter storm. They can listen to weather radio or other local news channels for critical information on snowstorms and blizzards from the National Weather Service. They need to bring pets inside during winter weather and move other animals or livestock to sheltered areas. Running water helps prevent pipes from freezing. All fuel-burning equipment should be vented to the outside and kept clear. Keep garage doors closed if there are water supply lines in the garage. Open kitchen and bathroom cabinet doors to allow warmer air to circulate around the plumbing. Be sure to move any harmful cleaners and household chemicals out of the reach of children.
When returning home after a storm, there are also ways to be healthy and safe. To clean your home and stop mold, take out items that have been soaked up by water and cannot be cleaned and dried. Fix water leaks, use fans and dehumidifiers, and open doors and windows to remove moisture. To remove mold, mix 1 cup of bleach, 1 gallon of water, wash the item with the bleach mixture, scrub rough surfaces with a stiff brush, rinse the item with clean water, then dry it or leave it to dry. Check and clean heating, ventilating, and air conditioning systems before use.